In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with Meta AI. If you've been curious about trying Meta's assistant, the good news is you can talk to it right from popular apps you already use. I'll walk you through how to start a conversation on WhatsApp, Instagram, and Messenger, and then we'll cover the kinds of things you can ask to get the best results. Let's begin with WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp on your phone. On the main screen, look for the Meta AI icon, usually a blue-purple circle. Tap it to open a dedicated chat. If you don't see the icon, tap the search bar at the top and type Meta AI, then select it from the results. Once you're in the chat, type your message or question just like you would with a friend and tap send. You can ask follow-ups in the same thread to refine the answer. If you want to use Meta AI inside an existing group or personal conversation, type at Meta AI, write your question right after it, and send. This is handy when you want quick help without leaving the chat, like getting a definition, a quick translation, or a suggestion the group can see. On Instagram, it's just as simple. Open the app and go to your messages. Tap the search bar at the top, search for Meta AI, then open the chat that appears. From there, just start messaging naturally. Think of it as another DM, except this one can help you get information or ideas on demand. On Messenger, open the app and tap the search bar. Type Meta AI, select it from the results, and open the chat. Send your message and you'll get a reply right there. It works like any other conversation, so you can keep it going with follow-ups as needed. Now, what can you ask? Meta AI can answer questions to help you understand topics or find quick facts. It can translate text, which is great when you need a line in another language. It's also helpful for brainstorming ideas, whether you're planning a party theme or outlining a project. You can ask it to generate images, which is useful for mock-ups or creative prompts. It can recommend restaurants or movies, include your location or preferences to get better suggestions, and it can help with writing or homework by explaining concepts, drafting outlines, or polishing your wording. Be clear and specific and mention any constraints like a deadline, style, or budget to guide the response. A quick tip before you start: keep personal or sensitive information out of your messages. Features may vary by region and app version, so if you don't see Meta AI immediately, try updating your app and use the search bar. That's it. You're ready to chat with Meta AI across your favorite apps and get helpful answers whenever you need them.